Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can order from Postmates. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Postmates homepage. So once you open the application, you're gonna be right here in this page. So here in the homepage, you're gonna find all the available things that you can buy. And right here, you're gonna find the search bar. Under the search bar, you're gonna find the categories. For example, the deals, the groceries, convenience, alcohol, pharmacy, baby, specialty food, pet supplies, flowers, retail, and so on. For example, I'm gonna go to deals. Right here, you're gonna find all of the good deals. So you can find some good prices over here. For example, I'm gonna click on McDonald's. So once you click right here, you can choose any meal that you want, for example, this one. And once you select it, click on add one to cart. So we need to select right here the sauce that we want. And then click add to cart and click on view cart. So once you click on view cart, you're gonna find your order right here. Check your order and then once you're sure, go ahead and click on add to checkout. Once you click on add checkout, they're gonna ask you to choose some optional uh, foods. So go ahead and click on no thanks. And the last thing that you need to do guys is add a payment method. So go down and click here and then you're gonna find payment options. You can either pay with Uber Cash or any payment method that you want. So this is guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.